Since our first floor in 2004, we've held fast to our core beliefs: quality and durability, clear communications, customer commitment. Whether you need a showroom-worthy coating for your garage, industrial floor protection for your shop, or a specialty system for your business, we have the expertise. Our proven process, years of experience, industrial-grade products gets you from mess to masterpiece in just days.
Before working with Stronghold Floors, my garage floor was just a plain concrete floor. When I first walked into the garage, after it was finished, it was not like walking into a garage, it was like walking into another room in my house. The floor looked, well, awesome. It made me feel like I had a brand new house.
Over 9,000 floors installed. With over 1,000 five-star reviews, we turn dull, boring concrete into functional beauty. Stronghold Floors, done right, on time, installed to last. Schedule your free consultation today.